Hey, my name is Kaleef Williams, and I'm a dad of 3 beautiful daughters. I know firsthand what it feels like when life hits hard, when the bills keep piling up, your account's in red, and you're trying to stay motivated through it all. See, when you're broke, the biggest challenge isn't just the lack of money, it's the mental battle. Staying focused when every thought is screaming, you're behind. But here's what I learned. Being broke doesn't mean being powerless. It means you're being refined. That season is where you decide. Are you going to let your circumstances define you, or will you define your circumstances? When I was working long shifts, exhausted, and barely keeping up, I started changing what I focused on. Instead of focusing on what I didn't have, I started focusing on what I could control. My mindset, my discipline, and my ability to build something new. That's what led me to creating an online income system that changed everything. Something I could build a few hours a day, not another job, but a foundation for freedom. If you're in that space right now, feeling like you're doing everything right, but can't get ahead, I want you to know this. Your breakthrough doesn't start when the money comes in. It starts when your focus shifts. Because once your focus changes, everything else follows. If you want to see exactly how I built that system from the ground up, go to www.getdailypayments.com and I'll show you the same steps I took to go from stress to stability. I'll link it in the description below. I'll see you inside.